Hi everybody, it's Nadia here and I'm bringing to you just a tutorial using some of my old products that I haven't used in a while, or I don't know how I feel on them. It's just going to be a get ready with me and whatever I come out with. Some of the stuff you'll have seen recently, but I just wanted to come and get ready with you guys, so that's what I'm going to do. And I've just decided that I actually really like doing YouTube. The only part I don't like doing is filling in description boxes. So this is just going to be a nice relaxing video on products I have used before. Nothing's new here. It's just, and it's not trying old products either, it's just let me use some products that I've got. It's all drugstore as well, or as drugstore as it can be, because some aren't from drugstore, some's from. First of all, I'm going with the ELF Aqua Prime Mist. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait for this to settle down a little bit, and then I'm going in with the Poreless Primer. Do a little blob in my T-zone, and then I'm going in with number 7 Skin Illumination, and again just with a little bit of a blob. Something I have noticed in my videos is I don't finish my sentences. It's really strange, and I'm like, Nadia, you need to learn to finish what you're saying. I am taking the colour corrector from KIKO, and I'm just going to put this under my eyes, this lightest one here, and work it in, just so it hides the bags, because probably you can tell from here that that looks massively different now. Just beauty blending it so it's not as harsh and you can actually tell. And also so there's not a lot of product on there, because obviously I'm going in with concealer, and I know wants a face full of colour corrector. So I'm going in with the Revlon new Candid foundation, and I'm just taking one pump and now another halfish pump. I think this is pretty pink on me, but I know it worked last time. And then I'm going in with my Y6 just to blend, and this is from MORPHIE, which you can get in the UK, guys. And then I'm going to go in again with another pump for more coverage, and I'm going to just put it where I need it. And then with the beauty blender I'm just going to go over and make sure it's all nicely in. So for concealer I'm going to go in with the Essence Stay All Day 16 Hour Wear, and I'm just going to conceal. And then using my beauty blender I'm just going to blend this into my skin so that it looks nice. I don't know what look I'm going for or anything, I've just decided that I've got a lot of makeup and why can't I just use what I've got. So I am going to be using the ELF Under Eye Setting Powder. As you guys know, I absolutely love this powder. And I don't put a lot of this powder on because I don't want to end up with powdery under eyes. So I think that's why it lasts me so long, is because I don't use a lot of it. And then for my entire face I'm going in with the Lottie Ready Set, and I like this just for setting my entire face. And this isn't as heavy as the Laura Mercier one. I could never buff that one in. This one at least goes into my skin nicely. So I'm using the Revolution Pro eyeshadow base. It's just a pot, it's a bit like the MAC. The reason that I'm doing this before I contour, brush and bronze is because it is very tacky and I like to give it time to settle down. So for bronzer, I'm going in with the Avon Glow. I haven't used this in years and I used to love it, so I'm just gonna warm up my cheeks. So this is quite a red undertone for me. Still nice, but not as nice as I remember it to be. So for blush, I'm going in with this Physician Formula one. This is just a nice pinky blush. You don't have to build it up obviously, but it's still nice. So for eyeshadows, I'm going in with my single palette that I made with Morphie and some of the KIKO ones. So first of all, I'm taking this KIKO in 200 just to put on my lids because it's white and it'll just make the shadows blend better. So I'm going in for highlighter with the Revolution Pro highlighter, and it's just illuminate. We'll get there, guys. See, this side always shines better, so that's what I've used. So I'm going to go in with this colour here. I don't know what colour it is, it's just a neutral brown, and I'm going to put that in my crease. I'll draw it in so you can actually see what I'm doing without wanting it. So then I'm going in with this dark shade just here and put this in my crease and on the outer part of my edge. This actually looks great. I'm actually going to go and take this colour here, and I think I'm going to put that with my finger just in the middle of them two. Taking a slim brush, and I'm going to run the dark colour under my lash line. Need to go with a softer brush. And then for the inner part of my eye, I'm going in with the KIKO, this one I think. So I'm going to take this KIKO one just on the inner part of my eyes. And a little blendy because blend out any harsh lines. And with the same one that I put here. I'm just going to use that a little bit to put on my brow arch. I'm going to go in with the gold highlight just for the inner corner. I am going to go off and put my brows on. I'm going to put black in my waterline and use the AOA. So guys, I'll be back in a bit when I've finished the eyes off and the finished look for you. So guys, I am back and I have just put my brows on and mascara, and I'm going to go in with red lip because it's a smoky eye, something different. So I'm just going to go in with this Miss Beauty lip liner in red. Just like that. And then I'm taking the L'Oreal in number 364 and I'm going to be using this red. So guys, hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial, and it's taken probably, I want to say, about 30 minutes to film this, 30-40 minutes to film this. So apart from my brows obviously and everything else, so if you had another 10 minutes on it. It's quite a simple look, but I like it, and I hope you guys do too. I really enjoy doing this look. It's very quick, very simple, very me, apart from the red lips. But I'm wanting to use my red lipsticks more, so this is why we've got this. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this get ready with me smoky eye tutorial, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.